Want to pass your German driving test on your first try? Here's exactly what you need to know.
You need assistance on the Autobahn. What does the arrow on the roadside marker indicate? A. Nearest emergency call telephone in the direction of the arrow. B. Nearest car park in the direction of the arrow. C. Next exit in the direction of the arrow. The correct answer is A. The arrow points to the nearest emergency call telephone. What applies from this traffic sign onwards? A. You may not sound your horn to signal your intention to overtake. B. You may drive with parking lights in the darkness. C. Parking cars must be marked with parking lights. The correct answers are A and C. This sign prohibits horn use for overtaking and requires parked vehicles to use parking lights. What danger is indicated to you by this traffic sign? A. Air traffic. B. The risk that my vehicle may be shifted sideways. C. Side wind. Correct answers are B and C. This traffic sign warns about strong side winds. There is a risk that your vehicle may be pushed sideways by sudden gusts of wind. It does not indicate anything about air traffic. What must you reckon with when you see this traffic sign? A. The roadway widens into 3 lanes. B. Traffic congestion. C. The vehicles driving in front may suddenly brake. The correct answers are B and C. This sign warns of potential traffic congestion that may cause sudden braking. Which traffic sign refers to the permissible total mass? A. Sign 1. B. Sign 2. The correct answer is B. Sign 2 indicates the maximum permissible total mass for vehicles. A traffic-calmed commercial zone begins here. What must you do? A. You must observe a minimum speed of 20 kilometers per hour. B. You must specifically watch out for busy pedestrian traffic. C. You must pay attention to the allowed maximum parking time. The correct answers are B and C. In traffic-calmed zones, pedestrians have priority and parking may have time restrictions. What does this traffic sign indicate? A. That people on horseback have priority over motor vehicles. B. Danger in connection with horses. C. No through traffic because of a bridle path. The correct answer is B. This warning sign alerts drivers to potential hazards involving horses on the road. What does this traffic sign indicate? A. A crossroads. B. A danger spot. C. A first aid station. The correct answer is C. This sign indicates the location of a first aid station. Which vehicles are not allowed to use a road sign posted like this? A cars, B bicycles, C motorcycles. The correct answer is B. This sign prohibits bicycles from using this road. What does this traffic sign indicate? A. Vehicles must drive at least 35 kilometers per hour. B. Vehicles may not drive faster than 35 kilometers per hour. C. A federal road, Bundesstraße. The correct answer is C. This sign identifies a federal highway, Bundesstraße.